Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a box from Thread Beast. Now, this is the October box, so stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back. So as you can see, I do have my box from Thread Beast, and this is my second box. So last month I did subscribe and I was able to get my first box, and I was very pleased with it. So you know, I got to keep it going, man. It was so nice, I had to do it twice, man. So right here I do have my box right here. It's very nice, and as you can see, it says one less trip to the mall. And that's one of the things that I do like, because you know, I like to get my shop on, but I've been so busy with, you know, work and stuff like that, where I haven't been able to really get to the mall. So, you know, that's where Thread Beast comes in, and I can get some new stuff without even having to leave the house, man. So I got my trusty box cutter. You know the vibes, man. We got to go ahead and give it a good old slice. Here we go. And you got to say it with me. We got to peel it back, man. You know, peel back gang, we still outside with it, man. Here we go. Oh yes. Oh yes, let's go, man. Here we go. First item, we got that good Thread Beast sticker right here. You feel me? Got the Thread Beast sticker in that black and white. Oh yes. And see, this is what I like, because they're starting to get some of that fall stuff in, and this is stuff I can definitely see myself rocking. First, we do have the Grizzly beanie right here. We got the beanie. This is by Grizzly. If you're not familiar, they're kind of more like a skateboard company, or that's how I'm familiar with them. But they have like all of like the clothing stuff, and they've done like collaborations with Diamond Supply, stuff like that. But so we do have that black beanie, the black Grizzly beanie, as you can see. And like I said, since it is getting a little bit colder, the boxes kind of represent the time of the year. You feel me? So in the summer, you're gonna be getting shorts. During the, you know, fall, winter, you might be getting some long sleeves, some beanies, stuff like that. So I will be trying everything on. Ooh, right here we do have, this looks like a thermal. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Looks like we have a thermal from none other than Tommy Hilfiger right here. Navy blue thermal, man. Can't go wrong. This is an essential. You're gonna need that long sleeve, you know, especially if you're layering right now. You cannot go wrong with this. We do have the 4 buttons right here on the top. Oh yeah, feels nice and thick. We'll definitely be getting some usage out of this. Now, one thing that I do want to say is the box is curated towards what you like. Now, I put down that I wanted kind of casual clothes. I didn't really want too many graphic tees, because I already have a lot of graphic tees. So I said some would be cool, but I also kind of want like a casual style in my box as well. And this definitely goes into that casual category. You feel me? And right here, I do have on the long sleeve from Tommy Hilfiger. Definitely a good look, definitely casual. We got that navy blue right there. Also got that navy blue hat with the red brim on there, you feel me? Very nice. Got the cargos halfway open to cover up a little bit of the Air Force Ones. White with that navy blue, so it's definitely a clean look. And you know, that hat actually blends in with that Tommy Hilfiger logo as well. So, I mean, it's like an effortless fit. You feel me? You can go ahead, go to the store, go to the mall, go on a little date, and you will be good to go, because it's clean and you can't go wrong with clean. Next, we do have, oh yes, we have the Diamond. Is this Diamond Supply? Come on now. Oh yes, Diamond Supply. You already know the vibes, man. We got the crew neck sweater right here, white and black. Looks good. Diamond Supply, hardcore heavyweights, as you can see right here. We do have a design on the back as well. Definitely like this, man. Special Forces. Let's go. We got a little something on the sleeves. We got the 9 and let's see. We got the 8 right here. So we got the 89 or 98, depending on how you look at it. But we have the Special Forces Diamond Supply crew neck. Like I said, this is another one that I can bust. You feel me? And right here we do have a pair of jeans right here. These are black jeans. Very nice. What is this? Size 34, 32. So you will put in your pant size as well. And they're different boxes, different levels of boxes that you can get. So some of them, I think this, how many pieces was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like a 6-piece box right here, man. So there's a lot. And you can break the outfits down. You can wear some stuff together, or you can split it up to make even more outfits. You feel me? But yeah, these look really good. I will go ahead and try these on for you. And you can't go wrong with the black jeans. You know, that is a staple. Like I said, I did just get that white and black crew neck. So that might be a fit that I can pull off together. Or I could just wear this with something else. And right here, I do have on that crew neck from Diamond Supply with those jeans that I did get as well. I mean, you can't go wrong. You got the black and white with the black and white. Got that logo right there on the back. And I decided to throw the Vans on, man, because it was giving me kind of like skater vibes. You feel me? And if you didn't notice, I do have on that Nixon watch that I did get in my last Thread Beast box. You feel me? You never know what you're going to get. Also got the beanie on. Can't really go wrong with that Grizzly beanie. I mean, it's just definitely a very good, very nice, very clean look. And it just flows with the Vans just so perfectly. And next up, we do have from Huff. Now, I know you guys already know about Huff, man. But yeah, I'm digging this. This looks like is this a jacket? Let's see. Definitely has that Pendleton type of a vibe on there. Kind of more like like a jacket, overcoat type of a joint. Here we go. We're gonna open this up. And you do kind of have that lightly padded interior on this. But you're also getting that flannel look as well, man. So yeah, this is from Huff. I did get this in a size medium. All of my items have been in a size medium. Looking very good right here on the front. It does say Pleasures. We got the classic blue and green lumberjack style. Let's see if we got anything. Yep, we got a little design right here on that back side. As you can see, we got that design on the black side with that Huff right there. And I will definitely be throwing this one on right here. And right here, I do have that jacket on, man. And this right here, this is just a good look, man. I mean, this probably is my favorite look out of the three. Remember, don't forget to let me know which look you like the best. But this jacket is a killer, man. You feel me? We got the jacket on. I got those same cargos on. You feel me? White t-shirt underneath. You see that hat, man. The hat has the navy blue with a little bit of that green as well, just to tie everything in, man. You know, the jacket does say Pleasures, and I got more pleasures than P. You already know the vibes, man. But look, this is a clean fit. Very nice. Let me know which one was your favorite. All right, and let me know what you think about my box for October 2022, man. I did get some heat from Thread Beast. You know, we got some real good brands like Huff. We got Grizzly. We got Diamond Supply, man. So it's stuff that I know, stuff that I'm familiar with, and stuff that I am going to be rocking. You know, we can't forget the timing, you feel me? But yeah, what do you think about the pieces in the box, man? Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.